Welcome to Skewed Spective, the hottest set of boys since One Direction broke up. After a mildly successful series of episodes, the head weight has gotten to the members. They are now out to go ahead and shortlist and audition a bunch of barely talented individuals with an opportunity to be part of this chaos. We have Burger, Skedish, and Mooncake as the judges, and Cute Rachel as the host. So welcome to the auditions.
They see me rolling, they hating, patrolling and trying to catch me right and dirty, trying to catch me right and dirty. Hey guys, welcome. Guys, we have an ocean of fans here for Skewed Spective, an ocean ready to join our group, and we have selected and shortlisted a small group of fanatic fanboys. Before we call them on, we're going to have one of our judges coming in here to amp them up and pump them up. Welcome, Skadush. Yes, keep the cheers going, guys.
Hello guys. So before we started, I just wanted to talk to all of you, right? I just wanted to set some ground rules before you walk in there, right? Because try to understand, one of the major things that has happened is whoever has walked in through this door before has been a legend. Okay. So anyways, coming back. So whoever's walked in through this door has been a legend before, right? And there are certain things that I expect from you guys once you guys have walked in. One of the things is honesty, right? So I want absolutely no bullshit from you guys. So you can shit in the lawn here and come in, right? Finish your job and then come in. Do not walk in with that arrogance. Second thing that I expect is anything that you talk inside should be quantifiable. Do not walk in and say I am famous, because you're not, but we are, right? Correct? So that is all, guys. See you inside and best of luck.
Thank you, Skadush, for those motivational words. We're going to have our first contestant number 69. Come on up. No, calm down. It's okay. Everyone meets their heroes once in a while. So this is our contestant number 69. We had to shortlist them from 1,000 entries. So how does it feel to being shortlisted and finally have an opportunity to meet your heroes?
Oh, very good. I'm very nervous. You can make out from my voice.
Don't worry.
Yeah.
We were also in the same position. You remember seeing GB the first time? You saw how nervous he was?
Yeah.
Now he's world famous.
After we are done, can we have a photograph?
Yeah, sure. You can always have my photograph. I'll give you my personal number. You can call me to parties, but I'll be charging you for that. Okay? So let's go ahead and send him to our interview.
Can we have the first one? Yeah, please come first. Close the Faster, man, faster. We were trying to.
I mean, it was set for average height.
Yeah. Hi.
So how are you? How are you doing today?
I'm good. How are you guys?
Yeah, we're doing good.
Yeah, let's get it started, man.
So I'm Vaibhav, also known as Veti. I'm a retired artist. I've been following you guys for quite a while now. It's been 10 years, I think. So yeah, like a major fan. I've seen all your movies, all your videos on YouTube. I've never gotten chance to meet you guys, but today finally I cleared. I think there are 1,000 plus people today, so yeah, this was good. Yeah, I'm really looking forward to clear this, so really want to be a part of you guys, help you in any sort. So yeah, that's why I'm here.
Okay. And the rest 49 seconds, what am I supposed to do?
We'll just.
That was your pitch?
Yeah,
I mean, I barely know anything about you.
I'm a retired artist.
What do you mean by retired? What happened?
I just lost interest, so I just gave it up.
Was it your passion at some point in time?
Yeah, as a kid.
As a kid.
So
Have you grown up now?
Maybe a little.
Okay. See, I mean, my concern is that you've left your passion at some point. So I just want to understand, like, first of all, Could you just brief us? Why do you want to be a part of something this big? Can you, first of all, can you handle the fame? Can you take it to that level?
I'm pretty sure I can handle the fame.
Okay.
And I can probably help you guys jump even higher. So, yeah.
Okay, jump. I'm serious. Jump. Jump.
Come on, you can do it.
I mean-
It's a simple task.
Does he think I'm joking?
I don't know, but it's funny.
Jump.
Jump, man. Jump. It's simple.
Jump.
my-
You said higher. So if any of us jump higher than you right now, we win.
It's jump,
Yeah,
man.
you.
Your selection depends on that now.
Are
You said you
forgetting I'm on the panel.
any of us. I said that's why.
Just
No
jump,
worry.
man. Just jump. Don't waste our time. Just jump.
Jump.
Good job.
Ah.
Good job.
Decent.
Fair enough. I think I've seen the jump in. We'll give you a chance. So,
Thank you.
So anyway, Macha, I'll keep it simple. Can you go grab that painting over there? Can you
This one?
Go,
Yeah, that-
this one. Go grab it and come. The painting.
just rest it against the wall.
Can you just show us? Yeah. Can you just make sure the camera also sees it?
Mhm.
Yeah, great.
By the way, just a disclaimer: this is not by him.
Yeah. I mean, if it was this good, would have taken him.
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah. Can you just please explain that painting, the entire painting? Like, what do you think it is?
What
And
do
was
you
the
see?
artist? What is the artist
Or-
thinking while he did this?
What inspired the artist to make this? What do you feel?
Superheroes.
okay.
So if you see there's a
Paul there.
pole, like a night lamp kind of thing.
Okay.
Okay.
So I'm not sure if you can see on the bottom right,
Hmm.
there's a ninja standing with a sword
Okay.
like
Okay.
this, right?
I mean,
I
it proves that he still has.
I mean,
the
each
head.
artist has their own mindsets. So
Keep the painting back. All of us had a certain set of questions as well, which we will go ahead and ask. Right? We had an audit team actually go ahead and audit your past records, etc., which I have the records with me. So should I start?
Yeah, please go.
Sure.
Someone.
So, one of the intels that we had received, right, when we were shortlisting you, like after the host did go ahead and shortlist you for this, we've put an audit team to go ahead and audit you, right? According to the audit team, one of the things that has come back, which I am not very impressed with, and I want you to justify, is you say you followed us for the last 10 years. That is what you started off with, correct? Your statement?
Yep.
But only recently have you started following 2 of the judges on Instagram. How do you justify this? I mean, you,
yeah, so
you-
GB
you
is
said-
my favorite, so I've been following him for quite a while.
Okay.
But GB isn't in the panel today.
I mean, GB wasn't in the panel. And you said I'm a big fan, so
Yeah, I was expecting the entire panel, so
Oh, sorry, dude. Our fault.
I mean,
Did you
Go then.
rig something with him?
should we just go then? He just wants GB to
No,
interview.
I feel he rigged something with GB, and that's
Yeah.
why he wants him to be
We-
here
We'll
instead
just
of
go
us.
then. There's no point in us taking this then. Yeah, we'll just leave.
go ahead.
Yeah,
Any
Huh?
particular justification to that?
no, nothing.
Okay, sure.
Just I'm sorry.
Do you have anything?
Yeah, so I wouldn't go so hard on you. I'll just ask a simple question. So, again, the same audit team came up with the thing saying that you already had a YouTube channel. I think it's called YT Art.
Yeah.
So, I mean, it's a simple question. So, if there is one thing that you would want to get over from YT Art to Skewedspective, what would that be, and why would you want that to be here?
I would bring myself in.
I said equality.
I am the quality.
Yeah.
I mean, I like his attitude.
Mm.
Could use it, but
Yeah,
Sure.
I mean,
So if you get me in, you can get whatever was there on that channel as well. With
I'm
me.
not saying the channel was good.
Savage.
and he said I won't go as hard as him on you.
I mean, I am just
Okay.
reciprocating to his
good.
attitude,
Very
you know,
good, man.
resonating
I
or
mean,
whatever.
Yeah.
So-
I mean, Bhargav is like a mirror,
Yeah.
but a broken one. So
Broken in many places. But still, yeah. So, would that mean? I mean, also we got to know that it's a defunct channel right now, right?
Yeah.
So when you say when we get you over, you would be getting everything over. So are you suggesting Skewedspective also would become a defunct when
No.
you come over?
No. You would just add on to what you currently have. So
No, but
I wouldn't compare my channel to Skewedspective. I mean, it's
You can't.
It's huge.
I don't
There's
think
a
I'd
huge
let you
difference.
also, but
Yeah. So,
Yes.
but yeah, when the channel was functional, it wasn't as huge as Skewedspective, but it was
Can you say Skewedspective without
I mean-
fucking up? Can you, wait, I just want him to say Skewedspective
say
5 times.
5 times. in a row?
5 times without fucking
Honestly,
up.
I've heard Skewedspective till twice or thrice till now. So you can say
Can you do that,
Skewedspective.
please? Can you say
Yeah.
Skewedspective 5 times
Yeah.
at a
Like
moderate
Chandu ke
speed?
chacha ne Chandu ki
Yeah.
chachi ko. So go
Let's
start with
just do
Skewedspective.
not a
moderate
tongue
Skewedspective.
twister. Take
Yeah,
it
just
easy.
say-
Take a deep
Yeah,
breath.
because I mean, see, think about it. Even we want people who can start a video for us, right? We can't be a Cutespective. No.
Skewedspective.
There's only one cute.
Start,
That's Ranger
start.
there.
Just five times. I'm counting. Come on, go.
Skewedspective, 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 Skewedspective.
I think he deserves a round of applause.
Not bad. Not
I
bad.
think that's good. That's good. Okay.
Okay.
I think it's
Continue.
time to test your art knowledge again. Do you see the painting behind me?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, bad eyesight. There is no painting behind me.
Where the fuck do you see?
Where do you see a painting?
I mean,
Addiction is
painting
disease
depends on you.
characterized by
There
drug
are
seeking
light
use that is
paintings, so if
compulsive
you
or
consider
difficult to
that,
control, despite harmful
this-
consequences.
That's again. Take a deep breath. Calm
You
down.
stop. This is a fucking phone.
He's stiffening up.
He's not. You
He's
are.
stiffening up.
You take a deep breath. You calm down.
This is the 4th fucking time you told.
Yeah.
Take a deep breath.
Calm down. Vaibhav, so we have made a note of our scores, which we will be revealing soon. It is good talking to you. Thank you.
Hey guys, welcome back. So that was our first audition, and now we're going to head out to our second contestant. Contestant number 420. 420. Hey man, you look like my peddler. How are you doing?
How much do you want?
Oh, let's talk about that later in the after party. Yeah. So, what's your name and where are you from?
My name is Ishan and I'm from Bangalore. I've been staying here for most of my life.
Okay. So, what's your plan? How are you going to satisfy the judges, impress them, and how are you going to be a part of our team finally?
I don't know. I think I have a particular skill set which the judges are going to like, and I have something for you as well after. So yeah, I hope I get selected.
I like this man here. I like the energy. Let's now send him in. All the best, man. All the best. Keep it going, guys. Keep it going for Ishan.
Hello? How long should we wait?
How long is
No
it?
time sense.
Are you seriously on your phone?
No, I was with Raja.
It doesn't matter.
Should have some time
The
sense.
audition is here.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Okay. No.
One of our judges is already drunk. He
Yeah.
finished it by the time you came. He's like, fuck it.
Before we start off, Bhargav, please, can we have you on the stage, please? Can you just
You
go?
want me to go there?
Yeah, please.
So,
please, before
We'll tell
we
you
start
what
off,
had happened. We'll give you a reference. So, one of the contestants that had come before said, I will help your channel jump higher.
We'll go on with your audition only if you can jump above your
Bhargav.
judge. If you can't jump, you just walk out now itself. Decide.
I can do it.
Yeah,
You can do it, right?
Just do
Yeah.
it quickly. Quickly, leave the ball. Hey, you.
Stand over here.
I'm reconsidering if you should have him.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, let's continue.
So I'm sure I can make your channel jump higher.
Okay. Sure. Move the ball to the side, no? Sure.
No, hold it and stand.
Okay.
Hold it and stand.
Yeah, could you also introduce yourself?
Okay, so
Stay close to the mic, please. Just a
Yep.
request. Go ahead.
my name is Ishan, and I'm going to tell the judges as to why I think I would be a good addition to the team of Skewedspective.
What
Okay.
perspective?
Skewedspective.
Correct. Continue.
So
why do we have contestants not able to say
Skewed spectacle. I don't know.
I don't
Okay.
think the C is enough to
a
learn.
Skewedspective.
Huh.
I hope that's
Skewedspective.
correct.
Okay.
Okay, so I am a person who has always been into sports and fitness, as you saw with my jump, and working out at the gym, keeping a healthy diet.
1 hour later.
And I've stayed in US and Florida for about a year.
Okay. Can you do accents?
The thing
Not
is,
can you do accents. Do accents. Why am I asking you? These are tasks. Do accents.
okay, of which country would you like me to?
Each country
UK.
your opinion.
UK. You have to say the same dialogue. So we have a movie dialogue. एक चुटकी सिंदूर की कीमत तुम क्या जानो रमेश बाबू. In Indian accent, in your English accent, which is the UK accent and the American accent. एक चुटकी सिंदूर की कीमत तुम क्या जानो रमेश बाबू.
So wait, I have to say the translation of it in English.
No,
you're saying
same
it
thing.
in
In
The
you have to say it in Hindi, but with the UK accent.
I say it in Hindi, but UK accent.
Yeah, UK accent
And the US accent.
and a US accent. First say it in Hindi, normal. Go. तुम
एक चुटकी सिंदूर की कीमत तुम ना जानो भार्गव बाबू.
okay. Okay. This is in the Indian accent. Okay.
Okay,
Go ahead.
this only was horrible.
This
only was fucking horrible.
Okay. Now UK.
Okay.
एक चुटकी सिंदूर की कीमत तुम क्या जानो रमेश बाबू.
I mean,
This sounded like those British people in Hindi movies.
yeah.
From Freedom Fighters.
No, this is like one of those dude. मैं पहले बहुत बीमार था, मेरी बीवी बहुत ये थी.
But that was the best UK
Okay,
accent which
Okay.
I could
US,
come
US.
with.
US.
एक चुटकी सिंदूर की कीमत तुम क्या जानो.
So
Ramesh
fucking
Babu.
UK people have more bass. That's all. The
Bass,
difference is.
It's like they tend to pronounce the
Okay.
vowels like a little longer, which is
Okay.
why it sounds.
Extra.
I guess.
Bonus. If you can
Okay.
do it like an African American.
I'm not even sure what they sound like, but
Just rap.
Oh my.
Oh.
Just rap.
Just rap.
Oh my god.
Even more.
What the
Just rap.
एक चुटकी सिंदूर की कीमत तुम क्या जानो रमेश बाबू.
same as the UK.
I
No,
don't-
this is UK only, but different. Cool.
Okay, huh.
I'll ask my question before we go ahead with the task. Okay, sure. So, my question is: have you watched Avengers first?
yeah, I've seen. All
Have you
the
watched
parts.
Spider-Man as well?
I've not seen the latest one.
But do you know what blip is? Basically, the fact that Thanos snaps,
yeah,
and 5 years later Hulk snaps.
yeah,
Correct. So I don't know if you watched it, that Spider-Man, but whoever dies in that snap, whoever vanishes during that snap, doesn't age in the 5 years.
yeah. Okay.
Okay. So let's say there is a school couple.
No, why him only?
It's you. You
Okay.
have a school sweetheart at the age of 13. 13 is what? 8th standard, 7th standard.
Yeah.
Cute.
eighth.
It's cute. It's all innocent.
Okay.
Okay. And Thanos snaps.
Okay.
She disappears. Okay. But you've already, like, you've committed. Okay. Now you can't get over her. You've turned 18 now. Okay.
Mm.
You're 18 and Hulk snaps again.
Mm.
She's 13 now. You still like her. Are you a pedophile? Yes or no?
No.
Why not?
I mean, it's just that I would feel weird doing anything to a small kid, and
So you mean you are a pedophile? No, then if you like her, you still like her is what I'm saying.
We are not asking you to do anything.
Yeah, we're
to
not
small
asking you
kids.
to
Just asking about your feeling.
If you
why.
like her, I'm telling you like her.
okay. Yeah.
Then are you a pedophile? Yes or no?
How is like it's
I
weird.
mean, it's like, okay, so if you're saying I have to like her and all,
No,
You
already
like her. You've not gotten over her. Yes or
Okay.
no? Are you a pedophile? Yes or no? Say I am a pedophile. If it is, the answer
yeah,
is
by
yes.
definition, yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, by definition, I would be a pedophile. So,
So you mentioned that you're good at music and you're athletic and all that. So I have a task for you. Can you just pick up the guitar there?
the thing is, I haven't played for a year, so.
Then what the fuck do you mean? 3 instruments.
So
That-
you mentioned it like
He's lying on
South
the
Indian
fucking audition.
breakfast menu.
No, I'm
over
not
there.
lying. I just need to brush up on everything I've
You
learned.
should have
So
brushed
what
up
can you
before
play now
coming here.
fast?
Okay.
I could.
Any tune that you know.
I mean, yeah, I could play a sequence of chords which sound good.
And what?
Okay.
Who's supposed
Go
to
ahead,
sing?
Huh?
Who's supposed to sing?
You can add your own lyrics. Go ahead.
Okay.
But wait, what do you
Freestyle.
want me to sing?
Do me a favor. Do you have your phone?
Yeah.
Take out and sing the contacts.
Sing
With
the
those chords. Yeah, and sing the
Ah.
contacts with the chords.
Okay, cool.
And he knows. Why do you have to look at the context? Don't you know people's names?
Do you know? Yeah, okay, our names plus whoever is in Skew Spective. Go ahead.
Burger. Zero.
This is worse than Phoebe.
JB. Raja.
Feel it. Come on. Raja's your favorite.
Palkar. Vaibhav.
Why are you singing contestant names?
No, he's just kidding. Feel it, come on. Anyone's name. Just take anyone's name with feel. With feel. No, it's not done yet.
I took the contestant's name because I just got carried away and I was so into it.
Then we'll take the contestant. You go.
I mean, it feels like you've given up taking a contestant's name.
It's okay. I mean,
Okay.
I got carried away, so.
We're done here.
Okay, sure. Thank you, Ishan.
Okay, thank you so much for your time.
have a good day.
Sure. Have a nice day.
Welcome back, guys. So, I had a vibe with that guy, but let's see. We have one more contestant for you. Contestant number 666, the Satan himself. Let's see how he does. Come on up, man. Come on up. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing good. Just came back from a party, and hopefully I'll join you there for the after party as well.
I will, yeah.
Yeah, so what's your name and where are you from?
Hey guys, my name is Prahar Shah. I'm from Bangalore. I've grown up here for most of my life. And yeah, I'm hoping to join Skewed Spective and probably make an impression.
Alright, Prahar Shah, one thing to describe yourself. Let me know. What is that one thing?
I have a pretty dark sense of humor. Some people might find it funny, but many people might not find it. So.
I definitely do like that sense of humor. Let's send you in. Let's see how you do. All the best, man.
Thank you.
Keep it going, guys. Keep it going for Prahar Shah.
Okay, send.
Start.
So yeah, my name is Prahar Shah. I'm hoping to join Skewed Spective, maybe help it grow a little bit. And I work as an editor right now, an editor and a proofreader, so I can help in maybe writing your content and editing your content. And I'm in terms of how I can help the channel, I think I'm pretty funny, but sometimes it comes off as a little dark and offensive. So I guess it depends on who you ask. And I'm also pretty good at doing embarrassing or awkward stuff, because I don't usually feel any embarrassment. And I'm also pretty good at storytelling, but I go off on tangents quite a lot. But the tangents can be quite funny, so I guess you could make something out of that. So yeah, overall, I think I can help the channel quite a bit. So just hoping to join.
Okay. Any reason why you said I can help the channel a bit or little? Grow a little. Not a lot.
Well, I mean, people are always offensive content is always popular, whether it's liked or not.
Okay.
It will become popular anyway.
No, but why a little?
When you mentioned...
You said I can help the channel grow a little.
Yeah.
Why only a little?
Okay, I meant...
Yeah, where's the...
Passion.
Where's the passion? Where's the...
I meant I can help the channel in general.
Okay, fine. We will start off with little, let's say.
Okay, yeah.
Okay. You said you can have a dark sense of humor.
Yeah.
How much of it do you think we'll be able to post? I mean, I don't want to get to an extent where we can't post it, right?
Give me
Give us an example.
Like the worst possible joke that you cannot put it up.
Yeah.
That you cannot put on.
Yeah, you cannot.
The extreme. I want to know your the full extreme.
Yeah,
okay,
actually give us.
Yeah, what do Einstein and the baby have in common?
Okay.
I mean, what is the difference between Einstein and the baby I just killed?
Baby, you just killed her.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh,
fuck. Okay, we can't post that.
Sure. Should we get started with our questions?
Yeah.
Right.
Let's go ahead.
So, I mean, we've kind of understood how you are as a person, right? You've said you have a sense of humor, dark sense of humor, etc. So, I'll give you a situation. Okay. You tell me what you would do in the situation and how you would resolve it. You could add a dark end to it. That's your wish. Okay. So, there's a couple. There's a guy and a girl. Not yet married. They like each other. Okay. The guy is raised by a single mom. Happens to be the girl is raised by a single dad. Okay. Now these guys don't know, but in the back end or parallelly, the mom and the dad are dating, and they are also planning to get married. So are the younger generation. The younger generation is also planning to get married. how would you make it the least awkward, or what is your take on this? How would you proceed forward? Okay, it's in India. The situation exists in India.
And
In India.
Obviously, one of them would have to. If it is in India, if they're planning to get married, especially the parents are planning to get married, then it would be very awkward. I guess the kids would have to either move to a different place or
How will moving help though?
it does tend to help. Putting some distance between the family always tends to help
Okay.
in especially in relationships, and I've seen many people do that in general. And
Who are these people that you meet that are in such situations like this? But anyways,
I've seen quite a lot of things.
Okay. Okay.
But yeah, I think some distance between the family, the parents, and the children maybe would help. And otherwise, if it is a very orthodox family and if the parents are planning to get married, I don't see any future for the kids, unfortunately.
I have a question for you. There is a female coach and a female section in a bus and a metro train. So, do you think it's necessary?
In this case, I would say it's necessary because, women tend to face a lot of harassment. Even if we try to say equality, we try to preach equality and stuff, they tend to face a lot of harassment and other issues. And it doesn't stop it by any extent, but at least it reduces it by a little bit at least.
I was pickpocketed by a woman near my college.
This is not a therapy session, da. For you to start
No,
talking
I'm
about
just
what
giving an
happened.
example.
It is a very
How did you know it was a woman? Like, I mean,
It was a crowded bus. We were getting
she
in.
pickpocketed, showed you to you had to like fuck you and walked out.
No. I had booked a cab because the bus was not coming for a very long time. A bus came up for a very long time. There was a huge crowd. So when we were boarding the bus, I could hear my ringtone behind me, and I see a girl running away with my phone.
Oh my god.
I mean, it's a very specific example.
I think I'd rather not know who pickpocketed me than know that I got pickpocketed like that. Okay, anyways.
Yeah, it's a very specific example. It's not a very common occurrence for men to be targeted by women, right? It's much more common
Often
for
the other way
women to
around.
be targeted by men. So I think it would be necessary. Even if it doesn't help in a drastic way, at least at the very least it can help with not being harassed on a daily basis.
Okay. In the past, Prarsha, our audit team has told us that there have been certain weaknesses that you had in the past. Right?
Weaknesses.
Yeah. One of them is the entire left side of your body. Okay. Do you see a football there in the corner?
Yeah.
So, if 10 successful juggles with your left foot continuously.
I can't do it even with my right foot.
Go ahead, try. Left foot.
I'll take you in.
Okay, 3 attempts. Okay. Do you want to try with your right and left? Try. It's okay.
Alright guys, that ends the auditions, and as you could have seen, the judges were not very impressed. It was a very mediocre performance, much like many things in their lives. So we've come to a consensus and we have decided that the winner is contestant number 420, Ishan.
You'll have the privilege to give the outro for the video.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe, and also thank our host for his great presentation, and welcome your new member to Skewed Spective.